I will never ever marry back to an next girl. I rather find RuPaul or Shebada and put a ring for one of Shebada, middle toe, and making hiding in boot.
That's a boy. Man just now fuck nobody non do it. Never suck a pussy, never see no ear for me teeth.
Yeah. Go on mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya star. Only for pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start told me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this, contents you enjoy listening. Alright, so today we want to talk about Khago and Octane. And for a while now, Khago and Octane has been going at it, you see me? And me feel like dancehall need to take a listening ears on this clash. More people need to start tuning to this clash because it a heat up. Vegas name get called, Bunty name get called. I remember say Bunty and Vegas was in a previous clash and them name I get called in a this one here. So right now, we there have to talk about Octane new song, Dancehall Shibby, and Octane never hold back or anything like that because him even play when a Khago recording where Khago say yo, him want put a ring on Shebada tour. Him want married Shebada because him no want married no more woman. Like we hear Octane have to say, stay tuned for the breakdown.
Some pussy them flip and what flip when it come out of water no fish. This is what going on now. Aquarium, dead soon. Can't go the Dancehall Shibada. Friend gully bend like Kana. Dead guy your finger your daughter.
When them flip and come out of water no fish, Octane say yo Khago a flip up himself, but only if you realize that Khago is a fish because him want put ring pan Shebada too. That low. It no matter what woman want do, it no matter what woman want say, under no circumstances a man can say yo him a go marry the next man or put a ring pan the next man too or put a ring pan the next man because of woman. There's no way youth. You see me? That means that anything what you do you just not do it right. And that you need to understand, so yo, anything what you do, you not do it right, and you don't have the right woman. If I so be the case, you see me? So Octane say, yo, aquarium, dancehall, shibby. Octane say, Khago bend like Fern Gully. If you come from country, then you know what Octane talk about. So Khago bend like Fern Gully because him touch him little daughter Ray. We don't want to get deep into that, you know, protect the kids and all these things. So Octane slap your Khago for that reason.
Chip black, shot and brav, chat and laugh, lava, all kind of badness, Osama, nobody can save you. Fool come start up drama, pussy like we yonder Shana. Ride for them, light up the place like phone pan a charger. Badness it thing name.
Chip Glock, shot and laugh. Octane say yo, him a laugh and shot Khago because screw face badness is a thing of the past and him nah fi screw him face. Him nah fi do none of that, him just laugh and shot Khago, you see me? Him nah lose a sleep when him shot a man and shot burn him like lava. Ya kitty cat like we under Shana. Rifle light you up like a phone pan a charger. So the rifle, when him turn on the rifle go light up Khago. You see me? The nozzle catch a fire right now.
Khago watch out a bag of things for the evidence. Bo batty this, batty that. People are do batty president. Say Vegas I'm father, but member say Vegas sleep with many men. Dancehall mascot, me see it clear when you ask so.
Octane say yo Khago, ya chat a bag of things. Ya chat all these things and where's the evidence? These are just baseless accusation. Khago, you not say nothing. I just rumors you spread, so Octane say yo, oh you fi call me a fish when you want to marry Shebada. You say Vegas are your father, but guess what? Vegas sleep with many men. So Octane this, Mr. Vegas right here so, and I call Khago dancehall mascot. If you don't want me to continue to review them song, just let me know in the comments. If you make it to the end of this video, check out my other video, then me know I'm not gonna like it. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.
Dogs them ready, car park, fully tank up. Boy dead, see the break up. What do dancehall and grateful?